Welcome back to the Advanced Setting channel. Today, we have a very important tutorial for every PC user. I will show you how to professionally prepare a bootable USB flash drive to format your computer with Windows 10 or Windows 11. Whether you want to upgrade your system or perform a clean install, this step-by-step guide will cover everything, from downloading the official ISO files to using the best burning tools. First, we go to the Google search engine and then type Advanced Settings Phone Repair. You will find our website right at the top of the search results. This is the safest and fastest way to access all the official tools and files mentioned in this video. Once you are on the site, look for the Windows Download article to continue. Once you are on our website, go to the search bar at the top right of the page. Type USB Bootable and hit the search button. You will find an article titled, How to Prepare a Bootable USB Flash Drive. Click on it to enter. This article is a real treasure, as it contains all the official tools and direct links you will need for this process. Everything is organized and ready for you in one place. Now let's choose the right Windows for you. But here is the tricky part. As you can see, downloading Windows 11 is smooth and easy right now. The links are right there. But if I try to download Windows 10, which is the system I am currently using on this PC, I run into a problem. Microsoft's website detects your current system and hides the direct ISO download links. This applies to you too. Whatever version you already have, you won't be able to download it easily unless you follow these specific steps. Let me show you how to bypass this restriction and get the official ISO file. Here is the professional trick. Press F12 on your keyboard to open the developer tools. Now look at the top menu and click on the device toggle icon to switch the view to a mobile phone. After that, simply refresh the page. Notice how the website changes? Now, the official ISO download links will appear directly. This is how you bypass the system's detection and get exactly what you need. Let's select the language and start the download. After choosing the right Windows version, it's time to download the burning tool. You can find the direct link on our website, advancedsetting.com. Simply click the link, and as you can see, the tool is very lightweight and downloads instantly. Now, let's go through the quick installation and setup process. Follow along as we prepare to make your USB flash drive bootable.